I'm in a server over here with Sophie Rain herself.
Oh wait, you're not a boy, dude.
Sophie, come down, Sophie. Oh, she's like Sophie. Yo, Sophie, shake something for me. Sophie, shake something for me. Alright, no, go in crates and do it. I'll hit you over there. Stay still, stay still, stay still. Where are you going? I found her. Look, over there, over there. Over there. Wait, I'm not even bitch you can hear us. That's crazy. You're a guy. Sophie Rain. I'm in a server. I'm in a server with Sophie Rain. Oh please, bro, I'm recording this one. Don't kill her. Don't kill her. Don't kill her. Get in there. We're gonna auction you off. We're gonna auction you off, right? Shake something for us. Don't kill. No, please.
Purchase wasn't me. No,
Shake something.
no, where you going?
Do a little something for us. We'll let you live.
Yeah,
Turn around. Turn around.
Oh. I said that's in the public.
Sophie Rain.
Oh,
I can't believe I'm in a server with Sophie.
Yo, hey,
She's getting violent. Let me out. Let me out, please. Please let me out, please.
What the?
Oh,
What is
my
going
fault. I
on?
finished it. I'm sorry. She's starting to get violent. Who gave her a weapon? We're gonna auction you off. Hey, if you wanna buy Sophie Rain, she's in the box of black crates. Come give us a price and we'll say. Come over.
Oh shit.
Oh, she's leaving. Who let her out? Who let her out?
No.
What? Oh my God.
I had to know this.
You're dying for that one, bro. Where? Oh my God. Where's Sophie? Sophie. Where's Sophie? Damn, I'm getting good at that. Where's Sophie Rain at? Oh, she's here. I found her. Sophie, do something for me. We're gonna auction you off at black crates. Come on, let's go. Come on, stay still, baby. Jump, jump.
Hey, I
Jump.
need a new profile picture.
One more time, sorry. One more time. There we go. Alright. Right to crates. Right to crates. We're gonna auction you off. Come on. We're gonna sell you to our highest bidder. Come on, Sophie Rain.
Oh, you're snapping, turtle?
Give me.
Yo,
let's give her Spider-Man.
Put the gun down! Put the gun down!
Whoa. Yeah, she knows what's up. Yo, Bubbles, let's give her Spider-Man. Bubbles, let's give her Spider-Man. Alright, get in the box. We're gonna auction you off. Get in the box. Get in the box. Get in the box. Oh my God. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna auction you off, okay? We're gonna sell you to our highest bidder. Alright, once again, we got Sophie Rain over here in black crates. If you wanna be our highest bidder and take her home today, come down in black crates.
Okay, hey, stay like that. Stay like that. I need to take a
Take
photo.
some.
I need you to. Hey, meet me at Hulk spawn, okay?
How dare you demand us a stab? Yeah. Take a picture of that.
That's a damn good photo. Everybody look at my profile. Look at my profile
Really
picture.
change it?
Hey.
Yo, let's put her in a Spider-Man outfit.
I'm gonna cut this stuff shit. Give me a second.
No! She left! Wait! Oh, no, she just died. She just died.
Go to Hulk spawn.
No! Oh, wait, let's get. Yeah, you gonna give her Hulk?
Hey, go to Hulk spawn. Go to Hulk spawn.
That's not a junior account. He can hear us. I'll hit you over there. Oh, never mind. Why aren't you moving? He's not even taking damage. This is crazy. She's so bad, she's immune to my swings. This is crazy. Oh. Sophie! Oh. No, please, can I get in with you? Let me in. Hey! Oh, thank you. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey. Do this. Do a little something for us.
Be like you. Who are you looking at, man? You are not me. Stop trying to be Sophie Rain.
I wonder why Iron Man's trying to kill me so constantly.
Sophie Rain, can you auction off some crates, please? Can you? Yo, Pookie Bear, take her to crates. Pick her up. Yo, come here. Get in the car. Get in the car. We're gonna take you to crates. We're gonna auction you off. Let's go, Pookie. Come up with this. Let's go. Come on. Get out the car. I think she has long hair, but it's close enough. Come on, get out the car.
What's Iron Man? I mean Hulk. You know Hulk?
Here we go. Once again, everybody, we got Sophie Rain over here in crates. If you want to be our highest bidder and take her home today, come on down to Black Crates. Alright, hop in the box. We gotta get Bubbles over here. Why is there a car in there? Did she come with the car? Bubbles, get back in here.
I said Hulk for Sophie Rain.
No, you're not getting something right now. It's not yours.
I'll kill you. Bubbles, get over here. Oh, she's into you, Pookie Bear.
What's up, we can do it together.
You're hitting her. You can't harm our auction item.
Auction item?
Thick is thick. Actually, it's a girl. She's the hottest that there ever was. The hottest, the Sophie Rainist.
I think this is
Whoa, what? Hey, put the car on the floor. I don't think anyone wants Sophie Rain. Hey, if no one comes down and bids on Sophie Rain, we're just gonna kill her. So, rock, paper, scissors. Oh, there's a gun. Never mind. We'll give you a shotgun if anybody comes in and kill him. What is hitting her? What's going on? You put a car in there? Did you put a car in there? Bubbles. Bubbles love. Thumbs up. Not love. Yeah, take the shield. Aw. She can't grab it. Alright, since nobody wanted her, we're just gonna kill her. Alright, thank you for your services. Sorry nobody wanted you, but yeah, go back, put on the 5-minute offer first, would you? Yo, is that Breaky Hill?